Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Personalization because that centralizes lock screen options. Right-click the desktop and choose Personalize to jump straight in. Once Settings opens, click Lock Screen in the left column to reveal background choices. Pick Windows Spotlight for rotating images, Picture to set a single image, or Slideshow for a folder of photos. This step is about choosing the mode. Make your decision now, so the next steps will apply directly to the option you selected. Once you've chosen Picture or Slideshow, you need to point Windows to the content. For Picture, click Browse, navigate to the image, and select Open. Windows accepts JPG, PNG, BMP. For Slideshow, click Add a folder and pick the folder containing your photos, then toggle the Include Camera Roll option if relevant. Make sure the preview above reflects your choice and pick which apps show quick status. This controls notifications visible on the lock screen while preserving privacy. Finish by locking your PC with Windows plus L to verify the lock screen shows the new wallpaper. If it didn't change, make sure Theme Sync isn't overriding settings by going to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Sync your settings, and disabling Theme Sync. Also confirm the image file remains in its folder and isn't on a removable drive. If problems persist, right-click the image file, check Properties for permissions, and restart the Windows Explorer process to force the display to refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.